going to be creating a travel website in this video. So we're going to be using TravelLab to do this, and TravelLab is created by ViserLab, and I'm going to show you how to set it up, how to install it, and how to use it to create your travel website. As you can see, the website is actually sleek. It is very, very beautiful, and with just a click of a button, you can get this website and build it for yourself. And it is very, very demure and good looking. So you have your home page, your about us page. This is about your business. As you can see, well, you want your tour packages, your seminar packages, your blog, and then your users can create an account on your website. So this is the website I'm going to be creating. So let's look for the romantic tour plan. So assuming you are going on your audience are going on the romantic date, and they will have to pick this plan, and you have to give them discussion about it, and they can book now. So with this TravelLab, you can actually this is a website that is for travel agency, and anyone who runs a travel agency, you can literally allow people to book here, and then they can book for your site. Now that is it. So it's actually a fine website design. It's actually a fine website that you can use if you own a travel agency or you are building a travel website. Now you can get users to register and or log in. So it actually enable users registration, and users can actually register with a Google account. That's if you set it up properly. But right now this we're not setting it up properly, so we're not going to use that. But users can literally create an account. So let's do v let's say this, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I'm not a robot. I agree, and then you register. So with this, you have access to your dashboard, so users can complete their profile. So let's do this UPV, and let's say 814590. So address, I could say, I don't know, I just want to type in anything I want to feel like it's not really important, it's just a demo, so you could just type in what you want. So you just click on submit. It's not really important. Username must be at least 6 character, ABV1245. So let's go. Okay guys, this is how your dashboard is. Now total tour, upcoming seminar, and total seminar, upcoming seminar. So this is how it is, and they can actually plan tours, plan seminar. They can actually contact you for support. They can check their payment history, that they can pay on this platform. So to visit the admin, you just come on the admin side. I'm not a robot. Then you log in, and oh sorry, okay, let's do that again. /admin. So admin, and I'm not a robot. Some of the time you get to see that error as regarding session time on your browser. So that is it, but it's not a big deal, just reload it and it works back. So this is it. This is the website, and this is how the admin look. So this is everything. You can add your payment plan, add where people will make payment for you, add everything. Okay, without further ado, let's get started guys. So for this, I'm going to be using Light Hosting. I'm going to be using Light Hosting to do this tutorial. So Light Hosting is a new hosting I discovered. I'm not recommending them to you. I'm not recommending any hosting again. The last one I did, when the hosting started having issue, I said guys, I'm not recommending any hosting. So we are looking forward on building our own hosting, and we are looking for a big company to partner with and bring them down to Africa and rebrand it as ours. So for now, I am not recommending any hosting. So I know fully well that I'm actually aware of my audience or my subscribers issue. For hosting, I recommend, sometimes when those hostings has issue, I don't have access to control those things, and I cannot help my audience, so it just leaves me handicapped. So I'm just using this to test tutorial. So it's your choice if you want to use this or not. Please, I don't recommend any hosting again. So let's assume I want to use cebmagt.com as my, this is the name of my travel agency. I could just click on search, and then since it's available in naira. Now if you're not using naira, you just come down here and you see currency here, you change your currency to what you're using, but I'm using naira, so just click on this and add to cart. Then you come to our service, drop down, click on shadow hosting. And the shadow hosting price is actually cheap. I don't like doing monthly, so you click on here yearly. So you either pick 5,000, 6,000, or 8,000 plan, or you pick their 17,000 plan. So I normally go for this plan because I like having 3 websites attached, so I normally go for this plan. So once you do that, you'll be given access to your C panel. So and on that C panel, that is where you upload the file. Now the link of the file is on the description of this video. All you just have to do is to click on the description and download the file link and download the file link. So I already have the file uploaded, so let me show you. So I already have the file uploaded, so let me show you what the file is. So let me remove this. So right now you have the file here, as you can see. So for yours, you just have to click on upload. After you download the file from the description, click on upload, then you select the file here. We already have the file uploaded. So after you upload the file, you extract it. This is the file, you click on it, you click on extract, and then you upload it where you want to upload it. So for yours, if there's no, this is an a subdomain, guys. So if there is any domain on yours, just click on public_html and upload the file. So now once you upload it, you visit your website, so it automatically goes to this install page. So that is it. So now you have to come here, as you can see, come here, you click on, you start setting up this requirement. So core, bootstrap, cache, they said it's required, this current permission is this. So let's go change this. So go back, core, bootstrap, and cache. So I change this one. You change the permission to the one that is given. Core storage app, core storage framework, and core storage log. So go back. So where's storage? This is storage. So go to storage, open it, app, framework, logs. So app framework log. So let's reload this and see if we've passed. Okay, passed. Then you click on next step. Now this is the domain I'm using, so database. So now I'm going to click create my database. So I'm going to come here, search for database wizard. So database I'm going to use, let me use test 1. So this is what I'm going to use for my database name, because I'm going to delete everything here. So don't worry, you can't find any of this thing later on the internet, because I'm deleting everything now. So go this, paste this here as my password, and click on create. So and I'm going to give it all privilege and make changes. So come here, I'm going to paste this my database password. Database host is always localhost, and paste this database password as well. Now for this, I'm going to call it admin, and I'm going to put this email. Now while that is set, I'm going to click on install now. Your system has been fully installed, valid license, so please enter some code canon, then delete the install folder. So all you want to do is to come back to your file manager. This is the install folder, you want to delete this. As you can see, that has been deleted. So visit your website. So let's go and open our website, and you have it here. You have your website. You can see this is a great travel agency website, as you can see, and everything here is actually great. So we're going to set everything from the admin right now. So I hope I remember the password we used for admin. So anyway, so that is how you install the file, that's how you install this script. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on my next video, guys. So bye for now.